So guys, recently I have unboxed this device. This is Infinix S4, and in this video I'm going to give you a full gaming review of this device in 1080p 60 fps. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahid and this is a full gaming review of this Infinix S4. Let's begin. So first of all guys, before starting this video I would like to promote my Instagram. The handle is TechBuffet, which is over here. With that said, let's start this review. So before starting this guys, let me tell you the specification of this device. So guys, this device is powered by Helio P22 chipset. It's an octa-core chip based on 2 GHz. All 8 cores are based on that Cortex A53, and the chipset is based on 12 nanometer FinFET technology, so it might be very efficient too. And this smartphone has 4000 mAh battery, 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. By the way, on the front it has 6.2 inches of HD plus display, as you see over here. And a lot of you guys are expecting me to do a benchmark. I have already did the benchmark, and here is the result of the benchmarks that I did. In the Geekbench, the single core score is 758 and in the multi-core score is 3620. Then we move to Antutu benchmark, and in Antutu benchmark, as you see over here, we got around 74,312, which is okay. Now let's play some games and let's see how's the performance of this device. By the way, I'm going to play these 4 games: Subway Surfers, PUBG Mobile, Modern Combat 5, Asphalt 9, and I'm going to use this battery temperature application to measure the temperature of this device. So as you see, it is on 89 degree Fahrenheit, so let me change it to Celsius. So as you see, the current temperature is 32 degrees Celsius. So let's start with the Subway Surfers because it's a very light game, and let's see how this smartphone is gonna handle this game. Enjoy the gameplay guys. Till now it's performing really great. I don't find any frame drops or something like that, so yeah, great. So as you saw the performance of this game, obviously as expected, this smartphone cost around 8 to 9,000 rupees, so it is definitely gonna perform that good in that basic title. Let's start PUBG because it's a fan favorite game, so let's play it. By the way, the speakers are located over here, so when you play games, it will gonna block the speakers, so yeah, do mind that. So as you see, the graphics are on smooth and the frame rates are on medium, so I can put it on on balance. So let's play on balance. As you see guys, it is quite lagging. Let's jump. First of all, let me reduce the graphics to smooth, so maybe we are gonna able to play it smoothly. Okay, it's good enough. I got a lot of frame drops over here. I mean a lot. Let's put it on lowest graphic setting possible. So guys, as you see, it's been quite a while since I'm playing this game. So guys, I have played PUBG for quite a while, and as you see, the current battery temperature is 42 degrees Celsius and the device feels quite warm over here too. But as you saw, the performance was very average. And now let's play this game, which is a Modern Combat 5. Wow. Well, the performance of this game is pretty fantastic. As you see, I'm getting around 60 FPS in this game. Wow, impressive. I guess the PUBG is not optimized with this phone. Otherwise, the performance of this current gameplay seems pretty fantastic. Wow, that's impressive. Let's go. As you see, the performance seems pretty fantastic. Yeah. So guys, as you saw the gameplay of this Modern Combat 5, it was pretty fantastic, and I'm getting around 50 to 60 FPS in this game, and the gameplay was pretty fantastic, and the temperature is not that bad too. It's on 41 degree. I mean, before this game we were playing PUBG, and after the gameplay of PUBG, the temperature was 42 degrees Celsius, and now it's 41 degrees Celsius. That's great. Now let's play Asphalt 9, which is also quite heavy in terms of the graphic department. As you see, the visual quality is on default. Let's play. Man, there are so many frame drops over here and there. See? Wow, the frame drops are like insane. Holy shit. The whole game has frozen. So as you see, the performance of the Modern Combat 5 was great, but this game also lacking a lot. Well, even though I am on the first place of this race, but the gameplay was pretty pathetic, guys. There were a lot of frame drops and it was lagging pretty badly. And as you see, the current battery temperature is same 41 degrees Celsius. So guys, as per the conclusion, I have to say you can basically play some basic titles in this phone. Don't expect miracles over here, guys. Basically play some high-end games in very lowest setting possible, and even then it is not that enjoyable. So yeah, do mind that too. So that's all in this video, guys. I hope you do found this video helpful. If you did, and hit that like button, share this video with your friends who are looking to purchase this device or any other device in the price category of 8 to 10,000 rupees. So yeah, that's all in this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And guys, if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, hit that subscribe button with that bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I post new videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye bye.